Good morning traders, and welcome to another live Forex video training update. In this morning's video we're going to be looking at the Euro British Pound, and I'm currently looking at the monthly time frame. And to kick off the video, I'd like to just bring us the whole way back to the Brexit move to the upside there for the Euro. And we are now starting to encroach into that trading area. So starting to claw back after 5 years, starting to claw back that move which took place in June 2016. And purpose of today's trading idea then is to actually take that short, which is currently showing on the chart. Just going to mark this up with a line there, looking to take a short at the market with a view to just completing the retracement of that Brexit move. The idea being that we will retrace 100% of that Brexit move. You can see in the last few months that price has been gently trending to the downside, and a target down here at 0.7563 is on the cards. So that is the trading idea for today. Monthly time frame, Euro British Pound, taking a short of the market 82.35, looking for 75.63 with a stop underneath, stop above 86.32, and we'll gradually bring this stop down as price progresses further down into the Brexit move. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening, and look forward to speaking to you on the next live Forex video training update.